Hey, Pit Smoke here, Charlie. We're getting ready to make homemade tacos on the Blackstone griddle, and we'll be using the soft flour tortillas I make. So stay with us. The homemade tortillas, these are good. We'll warm them up a little bit for right now. We got to get the rest of this going. Okay, I almost forgot to start the camera, or I guess I did. I was pouring this hamburger meat. We put it on here and have it cooking. This is fresh hamburger, fresh hamburger meat. Farm-raised steer. Oh yeah, that's looking good. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to turn them off a bit. Move that over just a bit. Drag her around. Bring her over. There she's a little cooling down there. Now, we're going to add, you know, usually I don't, but I'm going to add just a little bit of chili powder in this. And then we're going to put a little bit of tomato sauce around in it. See what that looks like here. A little more tomato sauce. A little bit more chili powder. I think that'll work there. Now, we'll get that going. Here, I'll turn that one off too. Now we're going to leave that off on this side, and I'm going to turn up this last burner. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let that be warming. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get these tortillas and water. Now my sack went back up. Throw these out here. I may have to do that. Tortillas, warm them up. Oh yeah. Get our taco apparatus. Oh yeah, good and hot. Look at that. Looks good. Now we're going to take a little bit of taco meat. Look there. Tomatoes. And we're going to put a little bit of onions. And then a little bit of pickles, diced pickles, dill pickles. Love dill pickles on tacos, I tell you. If you hadn't tried it, you need to do it. Now, last little bit of lettuce. Not a whole lot, a bit. And some medium cheddar cheese. I like cheddar cheese. Tastes good. And that looks good. Let's give it a bite. Mm. That is magnificent. You gotta give it a try. Hey, I hope you liked the video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're a subscriber, I thank you for returning and your support. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. I want to thank each and every one for watching. Hey, if you like one of those other videos, click on it and I'll meet you there.